As a crankshaft factory, we use high-strength steel. Precision, made and strictly tested, it suits engineering machinery. Durable, it powers systems reliably.